This is not a test. This is an emergency alert issued by the Federal Bureau of Investigation in coordination with the Department of Homeland Security. At 12 a.m., a massive computer virus outbreak has been detected spreading rapidly across global networks. This virus is highly destructive, targeting critical infrastructure, personal devices, and confidential data. All citizens are urged to immediately disconnect from the Internet, refrain from opening emails from unknown sources, and avoid downloading any files or software until further notice. Companies and organizations should initiate their cybersecurity protocols and secure all digital assets. Repeat, disconnect from the Internet, avoid opening suspicious emails, and do not download any files or software. Further updates will be provided as more information becomes available.